Hey loves, welcome back to another video. If you're new to my channel, welcome, and if you are a returning subscriber, welcome back. So as you guys can see from the title, today I'm gonna go ahead and remove my braids. I am a little bit upset about it because I wish I could leave my braids on a little longer, but I do love my job, and obviously my job does require me to have my hair. So I am gonna go ahead and remove them today. I technically could wait like 2 or 3 more days, but I'm one of those people where like I think about, okay, maybe I could do it on this day, but I do feel like if I wait to take them out a little longer, it might get a little complicated during the week because I feel like my week is a little busy next week. So I have some time today. It is snowing. There's nowhere to go because it is literally snowing so much here, and I figured, you know what, today's the perfect day to just do that and just binge watch some Gossip Girl. I started watching Gossip Girl. I know I'm very late to the Gossip Girl gang, but I am on season 3 now, and I really like the show. I wish I would have started it like when everyone was watching it, but it's actually hella funny and so much drama, like so much drama. So I'm gonna just go ahead and start. I'm gonna finish up season 3 while I'm unraveling my braids, maybe start season 4, and yeah, we're gonna go ahead and wash our hair and all of that today. My braids still look really good, like really good, and I knew that this was gonna happen. Normally for natural hair content creators, like especially when you're, you know, when you have active partnerships going on, it's really hard for us to keep a protective style in for so long. I was able to go pretty much the whole month of January without, you know, having to do anything for brand work, but you know, duty calls, and I already have a bunch of things lined up, so I have to just get on top of it. And on top of that, I am gonna be getting a haircut on Friday, and I want to let my hair breathe a little bit. I don't want to go straight into wash and go, so I figured I'll go ahead and wash it and maybe just let it be, which I never do, but I think I'm gonna let it just do its thing, maybe just put like a leave-in and just let it air dry. And yeah, so I just want to give my hair some time to kind of just readjust to not being in braids. So I figured today would be the perfect day to do that, so I can give myself the week to prep for this haircut. I still don't even know what I'm gonna do with my hair for the haircut. I might change my mind and do some more like volume, or because I had this theory that I wanted my hair to all grow at one length, but the way my hair is set up and how thick it is and how heavy it is, I don't think my hair is designed to be like that because it just lays flat. It's so heavy that it needs some layers to kind of give it some shape, and I feel like my hair right now has no shape, so this haircut is coming in perfect timing. But yeah, so let's go ahead and start unraveling these braids. Say goodbye to this look. I love her, honestly. She took 7 hours to do. 7 hours in a chair to do, and honestly, I was gonna make a whole video on like the pros and cons to getting this look, but in all reality, this look, there's more pros than cons to this look because it does last a very long time. I will say though, I feel like my roots, either it's growing a lot quicker because it's in braids and kind of being left alone, but I do feel like, I don't know, they do seem to get messy sooner. This the root part though, because the rest looks fine, but it looks like either it's new growth or it just loosened up. I'm not too sure. It could totally be a mixture of both. I don't know, but I'm not even going into water, so I'm imagining this hairstyle, like if I'm going into water and constantly washing my hair, I can't imagine it lasting too long. Maybe like a month and a half, in my opinion, for me, like for my personal, like particular style. Like I think I'd only last me over a month and a half-ish, but I never keep styles in for that long because I always like have work to do, and I always want to do reviews and show you guys new products. It's kind of hard to do with braids. And please excuse, first of all, there's a lot of things to excuse. My skin right now, I did do a facial recently and I got a lot of extractions done, and I have to tell you guys about this facial I got done. I did film most of it, but the more exciting portion of it I wasn't able to film, and I will talk about it in that video. I did film it, so I'm gonna put it together in the near future, probably for this week, but I have a lot of tea, and I'm very confused, and if I have some esthetician followers, definitely I need your opinions on this. This isn't my regular esthetician. I did get a gift, so it was like a birthday gift to try a new type of facial that I've always wanted to try, and yeah guys, it was quite interesting to say the least, but I will talk about it in that video. But yeah, so let's get right into removing these braids and then discussing kind of like what products we're going to use for our wash and go and all of that. So I hope it's a smooth and steady process. I hope I'm not here all day taking these out, but I do know that they are small, so there's a good chance that that's going to be the case. So let's get right into removing these braids and watching some Gossip Girl. XOXO. Okay, you guys, so I literally just have one more side left. Literally just this little section. I don't even know how long that took me, but I am so freaking... Is this a braid? Oh no, it looks like a braid, but it's not a braid. It's just a part. Yeah, I have this one little part that's tucked away. But guys, I am so tired. The way my hair is parted, the way my hair was parted, is literally just like it was when they were in braids. So they were just like, it looks funny in the front. Anyways, I don't even know what I'm saying. This is all that's left. This right here. I'm so tired, but we got this. You guys, I am officially on my last braid. This is the best feeling of all time. And I cannot wait to go wash my hair. I was gonna wait till tomorrow because it is late. It has been a day. It's 10 p.m. now. I started at 1:30 something, almost like 1:40. And I've been going at it all day. Like I said, I only took a little break to have some strawberries. A mess, but I've been watching Gossip Girl the entire time. But I'm so tired. But I'm gonna shower though, because I don't want to sleep with dirty hair at this point. Like I might as well just wash all my hair. But guys, I'm tired. I'm officially on season 4 of Gossip Girl. I think I was on episode 15 of season 3. And weirdly enough, like these seasons have like 20 episodes. I thought that was kind of crazy, but yeah, I am gonna hop in the shower. Probably won't film the shower portion. I'll just let you guys know what I use and all of that, because I'm gonna show you guys what I use to style. And I probably won't style tonight. I'll probably sleep with Olaplex or something like that, or sleep with a deep conditioner. I don't even know. But I probably won't style till tomorrow. And I officially finished. Oh my god, I'm so tired. I don't know if I will ever do small knotless again, because small knotless is a lot. Like that was a lot. Let me show you guys all of my hair right now. Whew. Oh, should I never brush this out? Let me brush this little area out. Yeah, so we are officially free. Oh my god. Look at all this. Yeah, this is a lot. This is a lot. Let me zoom my camera out a little bit. But let me breathe. But yeah, so we're gonna go ahead and wash our hair. And like I said, I probably won't. I'm actually definitely not gonna style tonight. So I'm gonna just hop in the shower, just to not sleep with such dry hair. I feel like my hair feels like straw right. So I literally found a random braid underneath here. It wasn't like fully braided, it was just like at the root, so I had to go and find the braid amongst all of this. But I cannot wait to shampoo, condition, and just give my curls some love, because my hair right now needs it. So let me go ahead, hop in the shower, and then I'll let you guys know what I ended up putting in my hair. Okay guys, good morning. So I just went ahead and rinsed out my deep conditioner, and I'm gonna go ahead and style my hair. I don't want to do anything too crazy because my hair is kind of like over me at the moment. She's like so just frizzy. So with that said, I have the type of hair where I just don't want to leave it with nothing in it, because then it just feels super dry. So I'd rather add some products to it and just let it rock for the next few days. So what I figured I'd do is the Olaplex number 6. I'm going to use this as my leave-in. And then I'm going to mix this with the Wetline Extreme Gel and kind of just let this wash and go vibe for the week, because I am getting a haircut on Friday. So today's Sunday. I don't know if I'm going to rewash. I might rewash it this week. I don't know when. But for now, I kind of just want to lay low and not do too much to my hair, because it's not happy with me. I could just tell it's not the happiest curls at the moment, but it'll be fine. I think it just needs to acclimate itself back to not being in braids. And it was really cold where I was at, so like maybe I wasn't giving it as much moisture as it needed, because it was in braids. So it's kind of hard to like really, like you can moisturize your braids, but you feel like it's enough because it feels soft and, you know, products go on even. So it wasn't like, it didn't feel like it needed more moisture, but when I took them out, my curls definitely felt very dry. So we're gonna give them time to just like, just to breathe and to remember what it's like to be curly, because they have not been curly in a few days. So I'm gonna just start separating my hair, and then I'm gonna go in with the Olaplex and the Wetland Extreme Gel. Like, look at my hair right now. It's just like, it's just over me. It's so over me. And I'm going to just leave her alone. But I'm gonna go section by section and just apply a little bit of each product, just like I normally do. Like, they're there. They're trying to peek through, but they're being a little stubborn right now. Okay, you guys, so these are my wet results. Curls are looking really good. They are a little frizzier, like I said, than usual, but I don't want to bother them too much. I kind of just want to let them do their thing at their own time, but curls are looking juicy. And I'm going to go ahead and diffuse my hair. I am in a rush, so I'm going to just probably pop in and show you guys my results right after, and then probably come in tomorrow or later today to show you guys how my hair has been doing progressively throughout the day. But all in all, everything looks good. Not too bad. Again, I didn't do too much. I could have gone in a few times to like make sure that parts were more defined, but I kind of just want to let it do its thing. So I'm gonna go ahead and diffuse, and I'll be right back. Guys, so these are my 80% dry results. I just tell you guys I'm in a rush, so I wanted to make sure I popped in to show you guys my hair. But this is what my curls are looking like. They're a little bit on the frizzy side, but like I said, I wasn't gonna put too much emphasis on like styling like that. I just didn't want them to be productless. I previously, like when I did my recent wash and go before the braids, I felt like I could just do like a I'm gonna let my hair breathe type of wash and go, but I feel like my hair needs some moisture. So I will try that, but just not today. So this is what it's looking like. A little frizzier than usual, but it's a-okay. This is just the wash and go that I'm doing just to make sure, you know, my hair is just not out here with no product and not moisturized. So yeah, this is what my curls are looking like. I will be popping in to show you guys like what my hair looks like over the course of maybe a few days or tomorrow. We'll see. I'm not too sure how I'm going to take this video, but I did want to pop in. So that's what it's looking like. Show you guys from the back. I am excited to be getting a much needed trim. I feel like my hair has absolutely no shape anymore, and I need to do something about that. So I'm excited to finally be getting a trim. I don't know what I'm going to do with my hair yet, as far as like the shape. I do want to keep length as much as possible, but I do know some of the length's got to go because these ends are not, But I will bring you guys along with me that day as well to show you guys all of that. But yeah, so I'm going to go on about my day, and then I will show you guys my curls over the course of time. So see you. Okay guys, so it is officially 3 days since I removed my braids, and my hair is finally starting to feel back to normal. This side I would say is a little bit more dry than this side. I feel like this side feels completely normal, but this side is still, I'm kind of like repairing all the dryness that it had. So from that wash and go, I ended up washing my hair again last night because I found all my Olaplex shampoos and conditioners, and I was like, you know what, let me do Olaplex. And then after I used the shampoo and conditioner from Olaplex, I did end up using the Sultanicals, that deep conditioner I've mentioned in previous videos that is amazing. It's like probably one of the best deep conditioners I've ever used. I ended up deep conditioning with that, and then I styled using the Rhyme and Reason, that leave-in cream that I brag about as well. And then I paired that with the Wetland Extreme Gel, and these are my results. I'm really, really happy with the way my curls are looking, because I'm not gonna lie, the day that I washed my hair, I was like, what is going on with my hair? It just felt so dry. It didn't feel damaged or anything. It just felt like it needed moisture, and no matter how much conditioner I was putting into my hair, it was just like, nuh-uh, leave me alone. So I did, and you know, I gave it a little break for one day, and then I decided to wash it again. I didn't film it because I wanted to make sure like it really made a difference, and honestly it's significant for sure. Like I already see my curls bouncing back into their natural, you know, their natural shape, and it definitely feels more moisturized, and I was a little nervous about that, but I'm really happy that, you know, they're back. But yeah guys, that's pretty much all for today's video. I just wanted to show you guys how I remove my braids, what I use to wash it, condition it, deep condition it, all of that. And it's safe to say that no matter, you just never know how your hair is going to turn out afterwards. I may have added more moisture to this side versus this side when I did have my braids, and I did not even realize it. So it's really important to make sure you're moisturizing both sides of your head. I don't know how that happened, but I did find myself adding a spray leave-in and then adding some of the Olaplex leave-in on top, or if I had whatever I found closest to me, I did add to my hair. But I don't know, I felt like maybe this side got more love than this one, or maybe I slept on this side more and it caused more like tension. I don't know, but my hair is definitely drier on this side. But we are getting back. Like, it's already starting to look normal. I think if I didn't mention any of that, you guys can't even tell. Like, it looks pretty good, and I'm really happy with the way my hair is looking already. As I said, we are getting a haircut on Friday, so I will definitely bring you guys along with me. I don't think I'm gonna do anything like prepping for the haircut. Normally people straighten their hair before their haircuts just to like get that last hurrah, but honestly I think the braids took whatever itch I had to like switch up my hair out, and I really have been missing my curls. So I don't think I'm gonna do anything too different anytime soon. But as I like sometimes style my hair, I look at my hair and I'm like, I don't really need a trim. But when I'm styling, I feel it. And then sometimes you can see like the random ends just sticking out. And a part of me just doesn't know what I want to do with my hair for this haircut. I do have some layers going on up here, and my goal was to definitely grow it all to one length. But as I said in previous videos, my hair is so top heavy that it makes it difficult to kind of like have the volume that I'm looking for. Even though I have some pretty good volume right now. I don't know what I'm gonna end up doing. We shall figure it out. I have been trying to find some like inspo pics, but honestly I don't even know what I'm gonna do. Definitely will be bringing you guys along with me though, so definitely stay tuned for that. I am gonna be posting more. Just know I took a little break, a little hiatus from posting as often as I was because your girl needed a little break. And I also want to get to a point where I stop feeling guilty about not posting as often, and that whole comparison thing. Like, I really want to change that this year and kind of post with purpose. So I don't want to just be posting just to post. Like, I want to make sure that when I post, I want to post and I'm putting out good content. Like, I don't want to just keep putting out random things. So with that said, with that little break I was able to take, I feel so refreshed and all of that. So with that said, I did film content for that trip, but I'm actually going on a very similar trip in like 3 weeks that I think I might try to actually vlog for. I don't know. I say I'm gonna keep vlogging and I'm gonna vlog and I never vlog, but I think I'm gonna try to make this an actual like thing where I actually vlog. But I don't know. I don't know if I should make it, because this trip that I did go on, I did vlog a little bit, but I didn't vlog as much as I should have. Like, I didn't share everything with you guys, and I wish I did, because I feel like I was all over the place and I was trying to be present because it was my first time in all of these places. And I'm actually, like I said, going on a very similar trip very soon, so I think I might actually vlog that one, because since I already went, so I'll explain it all in that vlog. So I'm gonna end this video right here. I did not need to talk to you guys for an extra 5 minutes, but you guys already know the vibes. I talk a lot, and a lot of you guys like it. A lot of you guys don't. Just skip through it, no big deal. But that's all for today's video. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.